there. So we're coming out of the plane. Hello, Sawadi. Yeah. What's the difference with Sawadi and Sawadi Ka?
Sawadi is not that polite. If you just say crap,
Sawadi
it's like
Ka?
a sir.
Oh.
Ka is just for women.
Sawadi Ka is for women.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're learning.
Sawadi for men.
Man. But in general, Sawadi Ka.
Sawadi Ka? Yeah.
Sawadi Ka. Didn't you do this? Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
There you go. Nice airport, by the way. Oh, it's cold. Ah, diba? Wow. Anyway.
Tangan na pare, mas maganda yata ito sa Hong Kong.
Oo nga. Hindi lang yun. Tignan mo to, lalabas tayo ng airport. Ayun yung plane. Nag-iingay yung mga dalawa. This is the airport in Bangkok. I think this is pretty neat. It looks like James Bond or something. Right? Since when this is open?
It has been opening 1 year ago.
1 year? Wow, it's pretty neat. Oh yeah? But I heard it had some issues with the government before.
Yeah.
But finally it opened up. I see. Okay, nice airport. Alright, we'll see ya.
I'll see you again. You come back.
Alright. Thank you. So, Kapun Krap. Right. Okay, bye-bye. Anyway, yan po yung Kapun Krap is thank you. Sawadi Krap.
Legend na mapulis pa nun.
Anyway, ano nga picture kami sa maganda yung aircraft ng Hong Kong. Kapun Krap is thank you. Sawadi Krap. Kapun Krap. So, ito yung interior ngayon ng airport ng Bangkok. Parang mas ano sila sa white na light. Saan ba tayo? Baggage claim. Immigration, saan tayo? Here. We gotta pass through duty free. So, yan na yun. Alin? We're being blocked by a trolley. So, that's one of the icons that you'd see. Here's the airport. What's that? First time. Upstairs. Oh, we don't. Do we have time for that? What are we gonna get? Yung ano? Wag na, maliit lang yan. Nakita ko din dati. Thank you. Oo. Yung chocolate lang, maliit lang yun. Ganun na talaga. Anyway, made in China naman yung chocolate.
Pare, Cloud9 lang katapat dun.
Anyway, so going to the immigration is this way. So yan. Nice architecture, by the way. Ganda. I'm very, very impressed with the airport dito sa Bangkok. Ganun din yung babae sa information, di ba? Medyo tinignan ko, sinumuna ko siya, pero yung legs yung inumuna ko. Oo nga. Anyway, so yan ang immigration nila ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung pwede kumuha, pero habang walang pumipigil, kuha tayo. Foreign passport. Yeah. Tayo naman yung foreign ngayon.
Yes.
So, nag-enjoy ngayon si Alot. Diba? Ano yung mga words na turunan mo kanina sa aircraft?
My palm.
No. Tsaka?
Wakiki. Saya.
Oo.
Ano nga ba yun?
Ano ba yung natutunan mo? Okay, Titi. Mga bastos na bata. Anyway, we're lining up dito sa immigration. We just arrived and in a while, kunin namin yung mga bags namin sa carousel. Yun. Kaya si Nika, basta sa pumipila. So yun na yung bags namin. And kung binato na yata galing sa aeroplano yung mga bags. So this is what the baggage area looks like. Yun lang talaga. And there's a long line of people waiting. I don't know.
Parang hindi yata ako tatagal dito.
Hindi. Huwag mo isipin ganyan. Ano yung mga sapat kong madaling mo? Depende ang kalat. This is the way out. So it's the way out.
Wow!
So,
Siya.
ayan. Wala.
Ayun, taxi oh.
Taxi, pero mahal yata. Saan punta sa ano? Limousine Airport Taxi. Carry 7 people with baggage. Wala. Anyway, dito kami ngayon. Ito yung labas ng airport nila. Yan, ganyan. So, like, sa Manila, nag-iintay din, pero mas decente rito. Yan talaga. Anyway, yun din, sa likod kami, nag-iintay din. So, oo nga, meron na tayong Pacific Internet din dito. Yun. Hanap kami taxi. Oo nga.
Ask mo kung free tour hanggang kailan?
Free tour. Baka mami free tour hanggang ngayon lang. Baka ngayon paalis tayo, may free tour. Anyway, we're just arranging for a ride from the airport going to Khao San. And then the offer was 1-4 bahts. And we're going to... She doesn't give a shit. Tingnan mo. Hello. Yeah. Do you know any inexpensive hotel in Khao San?
In Khao San.
Is it hard to get a hotel there? So, oops.
Sakit?
Budget.
Budget.
You don't have a hotel yet?
It's a private minivan.
May minivan included.
Included na yung
It includes the car. Has car, free the car.
The you know
tour.
private minivan with a guy.
Everything.
That's right. Not only when you visit the temple, donation. Donation. Nothing. For entrance ticket.
We're arranging for a deal, and then the tour costs 200 bahts per person. Hey, we're leaving the airport, and the temperature here is like cooler than Manila. So we're just following the guy. We just rented the van, and we're off. It's like 45. Ilang gana daw tayo kalayo?
45 kilometers.
45 kilometers. Anyway, we're crossing the street. Please don't hit us. We're Filipinos. Peace. And yun lang. Yan lang po. So, hanap pa ng van. It reminds me of the airport in LA. So, we're going straight to Khao San. Yung manibela nila rito nasa iba. Kabilang side.
Oh.
Right hand drive sila. Yun. So that's the van we're gonna use. Anyway, the bus left us here in this place, and I don't know where we are. But we're trying to find our place to Khao San Road, and this is what we saw upon arrival. Parang may mga SWAT team. And it's Gulliver's Travel. So, yun na. Marami mga police. And that's the road that we'll be treading on. Yeah. Okay, it's 4 o'clock in the morning, and ayaw pa namin matulog. Gusto namin umikot. This one is 3 baht. Here. This one, I don't know. Yung Pepsi nila is that's the Thai Pepsi. This is part of Bangkok in the morning. Yan, Khao San Road. Saan ba yan? There's a tuk-tuk behind me. And
Hi, good morning.
sabi ko, there's a tuk-tuk behind me. Guys. Yun lang. So sa gabi, panay mga lasing na puti dito. Pero sa umaga, ano? Yan, tuk-tuk.
Ganda pa naman din.
Ayan. Oo. Ayan, so marami, sari-sari silang lahat. Oo.